inclusive education is a school setup or learning environment where students with disabilities and without disabilities are taught together equally.
Uy! Sino yun?
Late na naman si Ms. Sanchez. Dali na naman yung klase.
Guys, magpapagod daw ako ng nag-5 piso.
Hoy, hihing na lang yan ni ma'am.
Kawawa lang yan ang mga officer para magpapera sila. Para tapos sa charity guys.
Oo nga guys, please! Napagod na lang natin ni ma'am.
Bigay kami yung bigay, kami yung hirap.
Ako nga eh, naglalapad na lang pa uwi. Kaya na nakakita ng tao sila sa takas.
Wala, natira si Miss!
Good afternoon, Miss Sanchez.
Good afternoon, everyone. You may take your seat.
Thank you, Miss.
By the way, I can stress that they announced that we'll be having a long week today.
Miyay.
Nawa eh.
Ha? Ingon ka man?
Section day, so sorry. Anyways, I will give you 5 minutes to study, okay?
Yes, ang tawag boys. Good afternoon, Miss.
Where have you been? Sa mundo ka?
Nagkalan, Miss.
Okay, get inside. We will have a long week. This inad, dili ka makaklaro diha? Or gamay ra kayo kung agi? Okay, come here in front and you can sit here. Okay. Ara, maklaro na? Klaro na kayo.
Bye.
Okay, that's important. Asa mo sa tabing na So this is when I woke up and realized nakatulog di ko, wala akong nakasulod sa akong klase. So nagmahay jud kong maayo.
Miss? Bakit ka pumasok kanina? Miss? Sabi ko po, bakit di ka po pumasok kanina?
Kanina may nasikaso lang din ako.
Sige po, Miss. Alis na po muna kami. Ha?
When things don't go as planned, remember this. Tomorrow is another day. Don't give up hope because each day brings a chance to learn something new and grow as a person.
And this is important in order for the diverse learners to establish a connection with each other by learning how to socialize in order to harness respect, tolerance, and responsibility as well as cooperation.